For this game, the learners will be able to review the lessons while incorporating critical thinking skills. So ang tanong, how to play the game? The teacher will group the class into 4. Then gagawa ng palabunutan ang bawat grupo na may isang queen, isang king, isang drone at mga workers. Lahat sila ay bubunot dito. Each type of bee has their special tasks. Queen bee, siya ang dapat hindi matanggal ng kalaban. If they're out, the group's done. King bee. Kapag nalaman ng kalaban kung sino ang queen, he must sacrifice himself by exiting the game. Magkakaroon ng second chance ang group niya by selecting the new queen. If they accidentally chose the drone as the new queen, they will immediately lose. Drone, siya ang spy ng grupo. His ultimate goal is suggest wrong answers to avoid his game from winning. Once his game was out of the game, he will get a point. Workers, ang goal nila ay manalo. Even if they are eliminated, kapag nanalo ang hive nila, mayroon pa rin silang puntos. Game proper. After magbunutan, magkakaroon ng short meeting ang bawat grupo para malaman kung sino ang queen at king nila. Gagawa sila ng mga tanong na itatanong nila sa kalaban. Team A versus Team B. Magtatanong ang Team A sa Team B. Kapag hindi sila nasagot ng tama, pipili ang Team A ng tatanggalin sa Team B. Kailangan matanggal nila ang queen. If nasagot naman nila ng tama ang tanong ng Team A, sila ang pipili ng tatanggalin sa kabilang grupo. During the game, ang drone ay tahimik na magsasuggest ng madaling tanong o maling sagot para matalo ang hive niya. Kapag nangyari ito, siya lang ang makakakuha ng points from his team. The same procedure will continue sa Team C versus Team D. Ang mananalo na group ang siyang maglalaban sa second round. Second round will be a reset round with the same instruction. The last crew will have their queen protected will win. Get a copy of this game. There are 3 ways to get this presentation. 1. Log in your HI Vessel account, go to early access, and click this game. You will have to send a gift to download. Your gift will help the hive continue its operation and will greatly assist more teachers and learners like you. 2. You will have to wait for the posting period to download. Posting period will take minimum of 2 weeks. If you hate waiting, consider the first option. 3. If you still have no High Vessel account, message High Vessel on Facebook page to learn more. Shout out to Sir Jubert Chandayan and Sir Joel Managbanag for your generous gift to the Hive. Please like and follow this account for more of this.